The In Vitro Diagnostics Directive 98/79/EC, or IVDD, is the third in the family of medical device directives. So, what is an in vitro diagnostic, or an IVD? The directive defines it as any medical device which is a reagent or reagent product to calibrate or control material, a kit, instrument, equipment, or system, whether used alone or in combination, intended by the manufacturer to be used in vitro for the examination of specimens, including blood and tissue donations derived from the human body solely or principally for the purpose of providing information concerning a physiological or pathological state, concerning a congenital abnormality, or to determine the safety and compatibility with potential recipients or to monitor therapeutics measures. So, what are the important elements of this definition? Well, first of all, the device has to have a medical intended purpose, which means it needs to be for human beings, and it's important for the manufacturer to define the medical intended purpose. So, for example, a product which could be used for testing drugs of abuse could be used for IVD purposes or forensic purposes. If someone arrives in the emergency room and is unconscious, the doctor may want to test to see whether they've taken an illegal substance. On the other hand, the test or very similar tests and technology could be used by the police to determine whether somebody was incapable of driving. It's up to the manufacturer to describe in their instructions to what use their intended purpose of the device is and place it on the market in exactly the same way, and this would determine whether it is an IVD or not. So it's very important that manufacturers make it quite clear what their intended purpose is for the product and then make sure that they continue to sell it in that way, for example, in their marketing literature,